Hi, my name is Andrew McHugh, and this is the Lesson 6 talk back activity with in regards to Chris Ware and memory. When reviewing the selection by Peter Statler, which lent a different perspective on the work by Chris Ware in the Building Stories series, I do believe that Peter Statler is correct. Although I had a tough time following and tracking exactly what he meant at times in his selection. I think after reading it a few times, understood exactly what he was getting at, and I do believe he is correct. In the story of the couple, the woman is asking the question of when her husband stopped kissing her goodbye. Her memories of her husband kissing her are replaced by the current state of non-kissing, and the panel by panel, which would have been after the fact and wouldn't have been part of her memory. The memories change from being kissed in the past to not being kissed in the present. Statler states the wife's recollected past bears the imprint of the recollected present, and I believe that to be true. All the memories turn into how the woman currently feels, which creates the sense that it's a past memory. Also, in regards to the woman in the epilogue, I don't feel that it was a surprise ending based off of where it finished. You could see a change in her in the course of the story. She was able to identify the issue of meeting a new partner and actively went to a party. She was able to start a conversation with an old friend. She actually took the steps to change being lonely, unlike the landlord in the story that spent her whole life in the building and couldn't make that connection with others, even though she knew she was lonely and she wanted to change who she was. So you could see the young woman wasn't ready to give up on finding a partner. So seeing her 5 years later visiting the building with a baby wasn't a surprise. She does state that she feels that she was wretched and miserable when she lived there at the building, but also feels nostalgic about it. So it's possible that she also has conflicting memories about her time at the building. She doesn't overly state that that she made some changes, but maybe that's the nostalgic piece that she was talking about. Overall, I really enjoyed reading Peter Statler's take on memory and his interpretation of some of the slides in Chris Ware's work. And then overall, the whole Building Stories series was really interesting. I did like how the panels, how they flowed, and how your eyes moved across the panels. I think that was interesting as well. So overall, I had fun with this activity. Thank you.